Hello there. Welcome back to English pronunciation practice. Today, we are going to learn the difference between vowels.
And a.
As in, head and had. For the vowel sound, it has been explained in the previous video. For instance, as in, head, next, general. Now, we will focus on the vowel.
A.
And in the end, we are going to compare both of them.
A as in fat. The lips are open, not rounded, and the tongue is in the lowest position of all the front vowels. The tongue is flat on the floor of the mouth. The common spelling pattern for this sound is the letter A, as in hat, apple, man, and answer.
Let's practice this vowel sound.
Word pairs.
Bad example. National anthem. Back at the ranch. Accurate answer. Bad habit.
Practical plan. Annual gathering. Last chance. Handsome actor. Angry man. Quick review. Vowel contrasts for e and a. Make sure that you don't pronounce these words the same.
Men. Man. Said. Sad. End. And. Then. Than.
Guess. Gas. Slept. Slapped. Head. Had. Expensive. Expansive.
Thank you. See you in the next video.